On the count of 3. 1, 2. For all y'all that think that I was hurting my daughter, using this spray in her hair like some weirdos, you know what I mean? There's nothing but aloe vera, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to be specific because it's non-comedogenic, and grapefruit seed extract. Simple ingredients. This ain't that weird stuff y'all be buying from the store. And to show you how natural it is, I'm gonna spray her right in the face. Since y'all was like cussing me out, I don't even know. We're gonna get to them comments though, because that's what this video gonna be about. But I'm about to spray her right in the face with the same thing that was in that video. Right now. You ready? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3. Now massage it into your face. And you can look in the mirror.
I can see myself. What?
How does that feel, Lilah?
Good.
Did it hurt you in any way?
Nope.
Alright, I'm gonna spray you again. Come on.
Okay.
This one. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Get your forehead right by your hairline. You good? Mm-hmm. Alright. Was that good enough for y'all? Maybe not. I'm gonna do it again. Aloe Olive Detangler, available on DaddyButter.com. I'm the developer. I know what's in here. I'm gonna show you how natural. I tell you how natural it is, but I'm gonna show you how natural it is. This is my daughter that's always in the camera. My product, or our product, right?
Our product.
And y'all know, if you follow me, you know I love her. I love all my daughters, but we talking about her right now in this video. You know I love my daughter. So I would not just spray her in the face with something that's harmful. So we're gonna do it a third time. You ready, Lilah? Mm-hmm. All right, let me get, you got like a little piece of lint. 1, 2, 3. Sprayed her in the face, okay?
My face is too wet.
It's too wet? Mm-hmm. It's too moisturized because I sprayed you 3 times in the face with this? Yeah. Okay. Alright. So, Lilah, how does your face feel, Lilah?
Good.
It feels good. Anything irritate? Are your eyes irritated? Does anything hurt?
No.
Do you feel harmed in any way?
No.
Okay, she feels totally fine. The same thing that you see me spraying in her hair, I just sprayed it in her face 3 times, and she's totally okay, everybody. But now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get to y'all comments in the comment section. I'm gonna read them to her right now on this video. She's talking so much junk to me in the comment section.
They're being mean to you.
Yeah, they was being mean to me. They said I was hurting you. Can you believe that?
You wasn't hurting me. And this one?
Yeah, they said I was hurting you. Alright, this the video right here. Detangling with Daddy Butter products. They got me in the background detangling my daughter hair. Good morning, everybody. With this product. And I applied the aloe olive hair cream as well. There's the aloe olive detangler. And I finger detangled it that day. Inside the jar. I use all natural ingredients, my products. This spray, to be specific, since it was like the highlight of the video. I'm glad it's highlighted because the sales are going up on it. So thank you for all the people that's bringing attention to the aloe olive detangler. Absolutely amazing, right? But the ingredients in here are very natural, like 1000% natural, right? That's why people trust Daddy Butter. As you know, the Daddy Butter brand, they invest in the Daddy Butter as well because they can trust me. All right. Organic aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties and enzymes. Extra virgin olive oil is non-comedogenic, meaning it doesn't clog your pores. It's good for your skin. It's good for your hair. It's good for your clothes. Aloe vera is good for your skin. It's good for your hair. It's good for your clothes. Other than that, it's some grapefruit seed extract in here to help preserve it a little bit naturally. It's nothing in this spray like them raggedy sprays y'all be buying from the store that's flammable, no weird chemicals or none of that. So if it gets in her hair, on her skin, in her eye, in her mouth, on her shirt, it's totally fine. It's only gonna be beneficial for whatever it lands on. All right, so since y'all love Google University so much, it was like a lady, either in the comments or in my inbox that said something about Google or sent me a Google thing or whatever about hair sprays and how it was bad and stop. how it's bad for the hair, how it's bad for the face or whatever. So since y'all like Google University, I know a lot of y'all up here like Google University, we're gonna go to Google about aloe vera. We're gonna go to Google about cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna go to Google about all of this right now in this video. What are the benefits for aloe vera for your face?
According to Medical News Today, using aloe vera on the face can help moisturize skin. Regularly applying a small amount of aloe vera to the face can help treat various skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and sunburn. A person can use the gel directly from an aloe vera plant or buy a bottled variety from a health store.
How is aloe vera infused in fabric?
According to Textile Today, mainly microencapsulation technology helps to add aloe vera in the fabrics, creating endless possibilities in the textile segment. Aloe vera content is embedded into airtight and waterproof microcapsules.
Alright, so we got aloe vera for your hair, aloe vera for your face, aloe vera for your clothes. So for those of you that think that, because the majority of this spray is aloe, by the way, that's why I'm highlighting that. So for those of you that think nobody think it's bad for their hair, but think it was bad for her face, or her eyes, or her clothing, or whatever, it's totally fine. It's not even gonna leave residue. It's not like the weird stuff that you use. It's not flammable. It's not anything, right? It's just good for you, no matter where it lands. Now, we're gonna talk about olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil benefits for your hair.
According to Healthline, olive oil could add softness and strengthen hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. The shine said to come from olive oil may be due to the oil smoothing the outer cuticle of the hair. You may end up doing some experiments before finding a routine that works for your needs.
Extra virgin olive oil benefits for your face.
According to Verywell Health, olive oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants and has been linked to improved skin moisturization, anti-aging effects, and relief from sun damage. One olive oil can be used on the skin on its own or as part of skincare products such as facial cleansers or lotions.
Majority of this spray is aloe vera. That's the highlight. We already know it's good for your hair, your face, your skin. The olive oil is not enough of olive oil in it in order for it to leave a residue on your clothes or anywhere it lands. It's just enough in there to help with the extra slip to detangle the hair. Now, what we're gonna do is something I'll never do, but I think we're gonna start doing moving forward. It's really cool. We're gonna go to the comment section, and I'm gonna show my daughter some of the evil things that you've been saying about her dad, Evan. So here we go. You ready, Lilah? Mm-hmm. Got a lot of, could you please put a towel or an old shirt on her neck and shoulders? Sure. Yeah, they want to put an old shirt or a towel on your neck and shoulders or something like that. All right, so this old white lady that knows nothing about brown girl hair said that looks like a big, dry, frizzy mess. And her name is Leigh Scott. I don't think she's eligible to have an opinion on brown girl hair. I left a nice response for her. Y'all should go check that out. Trina Hoey. Wow, you have an interesting name. All right, at this point, this is what Trina Hoey said, Lilah. At this point, him would get into a fight. Pulling, yanking, spraying stuff all in her face was too rough with her. Do you think I was too rough with you? Mm-mm. Was I spraying it all in your face? Mm-mm. But some got on your face a little bit, but it didn't hurt, right? Mm-mm. Clearly, if you're watching this video, you know that. All right, you said your face feel moisturized, right? Mm-hmm. So now we know that this can be used on your face. It can be used in your hair.
Or in your clothes.
Or in your clothes. If you want. You want to moisturize your clothing, you can. Now, she said she was going to come to Connecticut, too. Look. Flying out tomorrow. Don't get scared. She threatened to beat me up, Lilah. Look. Look at this. She said she's going to get into a fight with me. You can help me beat her up?
Yeah.
Yeah, say, Miss Hoey, we going to beat you up.
We're going to beat you up, Miss Hoey.
Linda Penny from New Zealand said, poor girl. She got that in her face. He's bloody rough. It must be y'all slang in New Zealand or something. Wouldn't pay him to do my hair. I'm from New Zealand. Well, likely you wouldn't be able to pay me to do your hair because you're in New Zealand.
Daddy does hair good.
Thank you. Think 5. No, other hand. That's the enemy hand. Danye Lewis. He a man. Why y'all expect him to be all dainty like a woman? Chill out. Most y'all endure rougher hair situations and pay for it too. Facts. Sydney, or Cyndy Paris, Parise, says, so rough with the poor girl. You got it all in her eye. Did I get it in your eye? Was I rough?
No.
So she doesn't know what she's talking about, right?
Yeah.
No, not yeah. She don't know what she's talking about, right?
Yes, you don't know what she does.
Say you don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what you're talking about, Cindy.
How about a cape for this dear child? This was way too rough and unnecessary, says Kimberly Cheaton. I don't know. My daughter said it wasn't rough.
Oh my God, Daddy!
Look. Then we got somebody.
Cursing.
Then we got somebody cursing me out using profanity. Calm the bleep down. Don't be showing out because you on
the
camera.
F word.
So that was by India Usher. Gloria Chambliss said, my goodness, can he brush any careless? LOL. I'm getting a headache just watching. Did you get a headache, Lilah?
Mm-mm.
Not at all, right?
Mm-mm.
All right, so she doesn't know what she's talking about, right?
Don't know what.
Say, Gloria, you don't know what you're talking about. Go ahead, tell Gloria.
Gloria, you don't know what you're talking about.
At all. Rosie King said, this dude is so unprofessional. Why he don't have something around her spraying? All in her face and shh. She cussed. She used profanity. Every time every time y'all use profanity in my comment section, you owe my daughter $1. Tell me
Yeah, you owe me $1.
Because she make
And
me
if
pay
you guys
her.
cuss a lot, you guys don't deserve money.
Nope. They don't deserve people to be nice to them. You cannot be a real sharp being this unprofessional. Really, I wouldn't send nobody to you. Okay? It looks like it's not affecting me at all. Like we're very successful without you and who you do not send to us. Right, Lilah?
Yeah.
Lord, a little rough, don't you think? Says Linda Lewis. No, Linda, I don't think, and she doesn't think. Now, the way things look on camera, you know, it may look a lot more rougher than it actually is.